Okay, so I am going to teach you today how to make pakoras. So if you don't have all the ingredients, this is a great way to get a pre-packaged mix that you can buy at any of the Indian stores. Even No Frills has them. And basically it's all the ingredients that you need. You don't need to buy spices one at a time. It's a great way to have pakoras at home, and if you're just learning how to cook Indian food, this is a great way to start. So I use the Shan mix. This one here is called the Pakora mix. So I just want to show you how to do it. It's really simple. You just want to empty all of the contents of the package in here. And what you're going to add in there is some onions. I've got the oil heating on my left here, so that we're going to actually deep fry them. You're going to add the onions. Now this one you can kind of gauge as to how many onions or how much of the onions you want. Some people like less, some people like more. So I'm just going to add, this is about 1/4 of an onion. I'm going to add all of it, and I'm only slicing it very thinly so that it cooks properly when you're deep frying it. So that's in there. You're going to cut up some green chilies. Now again, this is all based on what your palate is. If you don't like it too spicy, then add less. If you like a little bit, you can even add green peppers that aren't hot. You can add spinach. You can add really anything that you like, but this is sort of the common ingredients. And then you're going to cut up some coriander that you're going to add in there, and just chop it finely. I've washed it already, so you're just going to cut it all up. You're going to put it in the batter, and then it asks for 1 cup of water. So you're going to add that in, and then you're basically just going to mix it up, and it's going to become a thick batter. So what you want to do is make sure it's all, I'm just going to move this just for a second, just because it's heated. And so basically you're going to mix it all up, and then you're going to drop it in the pan using the spoon just to make little balls. And it doesn't take that long to cook, but you want to do it on sort of low to medium, just to make sure that the batter does cook through. And that's it. So that's what the batter looks like. And I'm going to show you what you want to do is you want to, like I said, put it on low to medium. I have a gas stove, so it really heats up quite hot. So you want to take sort of a spoonful like this, and you want to just dip it in, and you'll see that it turns into a little ball. It's very easy and very yummy. And at the end, what you're going to do with this is you're going to just sprinkle it with, I'm going to show you as soon as I put 4 in. You're going to sprinkle it with this mix. It's called the Chaat Masala. And if you want to taste, if you want them to taste like restaurant pakoras, then that's what they sprinkle on top. So again, you can purchase these at any really grocery stores. Most grocery stores are actually carrying the Shan product. And what you, if you're going into an Indian store, then you'll be able to probably get a little bit more selection. That's what I find anyways. And you can try really any of them, whatever you feel like making at home. The instructions are all on the back, very easy to follow. I'm going to just show you this as they're cooking here, and then I'm going to put them on a plate for you to just sort of see the finished product. Again, it's really a simple appetizer to make, or if you're going to have people over, once we're out of quarantine and you're going to have guests over, it's a very simple, easy way to have a little snack, and very, very tasty. So again, you want to cook them on low to medium. I wouldn't even really say medium, I would say low, just because you want to make sure everything gets cooked. There's onions in there and you want them to be cooked through. And the coloring, it'll be a nice golden color. So this is what they look like. I'm going to take them out just so you can see, and then I'm going to sprinkle them. Now, like I said, you can add spinach to this. You can add kale. I've heard people add kale, green peppers, red peppers. You can really make it any which way that you feel like you want to try. But so this is the traditional pakora. And then what you'll do with this is you're going to take a little bit of the Shan mixture. It's a powder. And you're just going to sprinkle it like this. And it's ready to serve. Now, typically you would serve this with a tamarind chutney or a hot green chutney, but it's up to you. You know, for my nieces and nephews, they actually even have it with ketchup. So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I hope you'll try it out because it's simple and easy. Enjoy. I'll talk to you soon.